Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you? I hope everyone is doing great. In this video, I will tell you how to learn English without enrolling yourself for IELTS, without having an English tutor, how to learn English. Is it really possible? For me, it's working. I would say yeah, it's possible. If you want to learn English without enrolling yourself for IELTS, it is possible. It is really possible. When I started my journey 3 months back, at that time I was clueless. There was no one who can guide me, but it seems okay now that I am able to manage each and everything. Nowadays I'm going forward. So there are my name is Omar. I'm living in Oman. I'm working here for 8 years. So for me it's a bit difficult because I am unable to enroll myself for IELTS class if I want to. বাট দেয়ার আর লটস অফ পিপল, সৌদি আরবে অনেকেই আছেন, ওমানে অনেকেই আছেন, কাতার, কুয়েত, এরকম জায়গাতে অনেকেই আছেন ইংলিশ শিখতে চান, ইংলিশ শিখতে পারেন না। তো এরকম যদি কেউ থেকে থাকেন আমাকে কমেন্ট সেকশনে কমেন্ট করবেন। আমরা একটা কমিউনিটি করতে চাই হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ গ্রুপ করে, অথবা বাংলাদেশে যদি কেউ থেকে থাকেন, বাংলাদেশ থেকে যদি কেউ আমার ভিডিও দেখেন তাহলে নক করতে পারেন। হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ গ্রুপ করে আমরা এগিয়ে যেতে চাই একসাথে, যাতে করে আমাদের কোনো টাকা খরচ করতে না হয় ইংলিশের জন্য। সো when I started my English journey, I was thinking how to improve myself, and I thought at the time that okay, if there is any way that I can learn English overnight. But throughout my journey I get to know one thing, that learning English is, it will take time, because you have to prepare your tongue, you have to think in English, and you have to manage each and everything. That's why it will take time, and it's you cannot achieve learning English for 20 or 25 or 30 days. Yeah, obviously you have to start your speaking from beginning of your journey, okay, but slowly and gradually you will be able to speak. But if you think that from the first day, from the very first day you will have to speak like a native speaker, then I would say you will be a failure. You will lost your motivation someday, and then you will stop your learning journey. So you have to focus on your reading, you have to focus on your speaking from first day, and you have to consume lots of English content, right? By consuming those English content you will be able to speak English. Without consume English content you cannot speak English properly, you cannot provide good English. That's why I would say that there are lots of good English content creator available on YouTube, and most of them are from India. I would say you can follow them. By following them you will be able to improve in English. For me it's working, and nowadays I'm following lots of Indian YouTubers. They are very good in English.